we're gonna make some slime. This is the activator and 2 glues. Oh, I forgot. It almost falls. So let's make it. Let's put. I think that's super enough. Do you see the clear glue? Let's put some scent. There. And don't forget the activator. Tuck, tuck, tuck. Oops, I put it a lot. But oops, that was a bad idea. So now let's mix. I'll just get it. It's almost forming into slime. I think we should add a little bit activator, but it's okay. There is it. It's still not done. So let's still mix. Mixy, 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 mix. Mixy, 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 mix. Mixing it all around. So by the way, my favorite song is Mount Everest. I will get the clay, just wait guys. So we have the clay. Let's just put it. There. We have put the clay. So now I will be mixing by hand. But don't forget to put activator in your hand, so it won't get sticky. And I forgot it. Forgot to put activator. Oh my gosh, there's too many. What is this? We have activator in my hand. I will mix. So let's put more clay. Don't mind my cousin. But guys, please follow me on this channel. Yeah. And one of my favorite songs is the one that get away. So hard to mix. But now let's take it out of the bowl and mix with your hand. It's sticky.
Can I sleep? Can I please sleep? Why did you treat me like you do?
Later, I'm gonna give this to my cousin. There, but don't forget, it's super sticky. There, it's not sticky anymore. So bye guys.
But